Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have a right angle triangle. The height of this triangle is 3 units and there is a semicircle inside it which touches this hypotenuse and this diameter is on the base such that this length is 2 units. We have to find the area of this semicircle. As these two lines are tangent of this circle and these two tangent meet this point, so these two tangent length is equal. As this is 3 units, so this length, this will also be 3 units. So the height is 3 units and the hypotenuse of this triangle is 3 plus 2, which is 5 units. Consider the base of this triangle is B. So applying Pythagoras theorem, we can write the height square. So height is 3. So we can write 3a square plus base square, which is B square, is equal to this hypotenuse square, which is 5 units. So 5 units, which is a square. Or this 3 square is 9 plus b square is equal to 5 square. This is 25. Now taking this 9 to right side, we will get b square is equal to 25 minus this 9, or this b square is equal to 25 minus 9, this is 16, and taking a square root we will get the value of b is equal to 4. So the base is 4 units. Consider this is the center of this semicircle and join this tangent point and this center, we will get this line. This indicates the radius of this circle. Consider this as r. This is the radius of this circle, and as the radius is r, so this length, it will also be r. So the remaining length of this base, total base is 4 units and this is r, so this will be 4 minus r unit. This 4 minus r is from the center of this circle to here, and this angle is 90 degree. So applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle here, the height is r, base is 2 and hypotenuse is 4 minus r. So applying Pythagoras theorem here, we can write height square, which is r square plus this base square 2 square is equal to this hypotenuse square, which is 4 minus r. So 4 minus r square, or this r square plus 2a square, this is 4, is equal to, applying formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. We can write 4 square minus 2 times this 4 times this r plus this r square, or now taking this 4 times 2, 8r to left side, and this left side to right side, we will get this 4 times 2, 8r, this negative 8r will be positive 8r, is equal to, this 4 square is 16 plus this r square minus this r square minus this 4, or this 8r is equal to, this positive r square and negative r square will cancel, and 16 minus 4, this will be 12, or divided both side by 8, we will get r is equal to this 12 divided by this 8, and simplifying we will get 3 over 2, and this is the radius of this circle. So the area is A, area of this semicircle is half times pi r square. Pi r square is the area of total circle, as this is semicircle, so this half is equal to, substitute the value of r is equal to 3 over 2 here, we can write 1 over 2 times pi 3 over 2 whole square is equal to, this 3 square is 9, so 9 pi over this 2 square is 4 times 2, this is 8, and this is the area of this semicircle. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.